Good evening. How many times have you woken up
Good evening. My name is Tony Ashamo. Welcome back to another episode of Stock Goldmine. First, I'd like to go straight into our mission statement. What is our mission statement? They are help investors win with using common sense, spotting growth before it becomes public, and then identifying trends before the stock explodes. Those will be pretty much the concept of this program. And next, I want to just tell you about the program objective. Our one objective for this program is pretty much to tell you about the August 2007 stock picks. Pretty much we're giving you insight to what we know, our research and development capabilities, what we think about the market, and this is an objective analysis of what we think is going on in the marketplace. First, I've got this question many times, and I want to first reference you to our website. Our website is www.stockgm.com. First, what are the reasons to invest in Nigeria? I'll tell you some few. Okay, it's the second largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa, and pretty much, just taking South Africa ahead of Nigeria, that's the second largest economy. Okay, second is sound and stable macroeconomic climate. Based on what's going on, we've seen the trends from the past 2 years or from the past 6 years, let's say. We know that there's some good macroeconomic activities going on as far as the way the policies, the fiscal policies is being managed by CBN and the governmental policies and stuff. So that's always good. That's on the upside. Number three, improved governance and well-educated workforce. Obviously, we as Nigeria has the best resources and the number of resource capability in the whole Africa. So that gives you a whole talent of pool, a whole pool of talents that you can tap into, easily leverage for economic activities and whatnot. Okay, next is the consumer market is over 140 million, and that's even the analysis based on the World Bank data. Next is wealth of unexploited natural resources. They're there. And the last one is ongoing deregulation and war against corruption. The sectors that's really offering opportunities in this economy as we speak, as of today, we're looking at the oil and gas sector, the energy, financial services. We're looking at any infrastructure company, the telecommunications, the tourism, the transport, banking, and insurances are critical, and those are part of the financial services sector. The Central Bank of Nigeria, they're planning to withdraw over $100 billion, which is 100 billion naira, sorry, which is about $1 billion or more from the economy, just to pretty much make sure there's not too much liquidity in the market. Second, the number of connected mobile phones in the country rose from 266,000 to 32 million, and that pretty much shows a monumental increase of about over 12,000% increase. And to me, that's tremendous. That's just the fact that those kind of activities are going on. Obviously mobile communication enhances business, and it helps live and actually adds value to the economy. The recent First Bank offer that just concluded last month, based on data, inside data, we do know that it probably oversubscribed beyond 500%. That's huge, and simply what that means is there's a lot of interest in the market, there's a lot of liquidity, which has a lot of round effect with affecting other indices and other stocks around even Nigerian stock exchange, and talking about Ghanaian stock exchange and whatnot. But the bottom line, the focus now here today is the NSE, which is a Nigerian stock exchange, and the fact that First Bank, which is one of the major stock ticker on the index, and the NSE index, is pretty much awesome. Access Bank shares may be oversubscribed. This is a current share that's actually the offer is out there right now as an IPO. I would suggest buy it. And obviously we're going to address this later on in this program. The next one is 16 Nigerian banks among top 1,000 global banks. This was a quote from Soludo, and obviously that's very good also. Nigerian per capita income rises to $1,036, and this is coming from $847. That's pretty much, I mean, within 1 year, that's good. And just, I want you to picture this in the next 5 years or whatnot. I mean, the per capita income rising to, like, let's say $8,000, $10,000, and just picture that with your money. Obviously, the more the per capita income rises, obviously what that translates to for investors is like there's more disposable income, and obviously inherently the businesses grow. So it's not just about the stock price appreciating and not being able to capture or being overpriced. The market have been, more new markets have been created, and there's new money in the market to justify that. So bottom line, this are all good news, and this is the news following your money. The first stock I want to talk about is Axis Bank. Okay, this is an IPO out there right now. The stock is actually on technical suspension till the IPO finishes and they did the verification and whatnot. What my advice to you is subscribe on this stock. Just buy whatever you can buy, whatever you can muster money to do to buy in this stock. Do it, and do it aggressively. The next one I want to talk about is Dangote Sugar and Flour. The flour part of it is a new IPO also, just coming out in the next few weeks. Yeah, if you have the luxury to do that, go ahead and buy that Dangote flour. Dangote has really become an household name in the market right now, and he has that magic touch. Specifically, we've seen this stock gone to like 56 naira. It's gone back to lost around 20 naira, almost 20 naira, 18 naira right now. It's right around 38 naira. This is a good time to get into it. If not for the price appreciation, for the dividend, the quarterly dividend that is promised, and he's been very regular doing that. So this is a good stock. Good evening.